why does the world exist?
Are you sure? Are you sure that the world exists?
Yes. Yes.
I'm not so sure. According to the Buddha's teaching, to say that the world is not correct. And to say that the world is not, that is not correct either. According to the Buddha, to be or not to be, that is not the question. Tomorrow maybe we will speak about that. Okay? Thank you. Difficult question. Asked only by philosophers.